Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Susmita Fish Cutting 0.7. I hope you are all doing very well. Today, I am going to show you how to clean and cut a fresh carp fish step by step in a very simple and traditional way. This video is especially helpful for beginners who want to learn proper fish cleaning and cutting techniques. So please watch the full video carefully and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now let's start today's process. First of all, you can see this fresh carp fish. The fish is medium-sized, fresh and perfect for cooking curry. Always remember, when buying fish, the eyes should be clear, the skin should be shiny, and there should be no bad smell. Fresh fish always gives the best taste in cooking. Now let's begin the cleaning process. At first, I wash the fish properly with clean water. Now I start removing the scales. Using a knife, I gently scrape the fish from tail to head. Make sure to remove all the scales carefully because leftover scales can ruin the cooking experience. After removing the scales, I wash the fish again with water. Next, I cut open the belly of the fish slowly and carefully. I remove all the inner parts from inside the stomach. Now I clean the inside very well, removing blood and dirt completely. This step is very important to remove any bad smell from the fish. After that, I wash the fish again with clean water until it becomes fully clean. Now I start cutting the fins. I remove the side fins, top fin and tail fin carefully. Next, I cut the head of the fish. Some people like to keep the head for curry, so you can cut it separately and keep it aside. Once again, I rinse the fish with water to make sure it is completely clean. Now comes the most important part, cutting the fish. I am using a traditional boti for cutting the fish. A boti helps to cut fish evenly and safely. I place the fish properly on the boti and start cutting it into small, equal-sized pieces. I cut slowly and carefully so that each piece looks neat and perfect. Try to keep the pieces the same size so that they cook evenly. You can see how clean and smooth the cuts are. This method is very easy and effective for home cooking. One by one, I cut the entire fish into beautiful small pieces. After cutting, I wash all the fish pieces again with clean water. This final wash removes any remaining blood or small bones. Now the fish pieces are completely ready for cooking. You can use these pieces for fish curry, fish fry, or any recipe you like. Always use a sharp knife or boti for easy cutting. Never rush while cutting fish. Cleanliness is very important for good taste and hygiene. Practice slowly, and you will become perfect with time. So friends, this is how you can clean and cut a carp fish step by step at home. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Susmita Fish Cutting 0.7 and press the bell icon to get notifications for more fish cutting videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.